How to fix ThinkPhone 25 Bluetooth audio not working. So let's start the video. First of all, swipe down to your control center and here you can turn on or off your Bluetooth. After turning on or off your Bluetooth, then restart your device. For start your device, press and hold volume up button and power button at the same time and then click on restart. After start your device, then open settings and scroll down in last and click on system and click on reset options and click on reset mobile network settings. Now click on reset settings. Now go back and click on system updates and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.